Want a garden that stays colorful all season long? In today's video, we'll explore 10 stunning, long-blooming perennials that will keep your garden vibrant and full of life for months. These low-maintenance flowers will bring continuous beauty to your outdoor space, making it the perfect place to relax and unwind. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these hardy plants will add a burst of color and charm to any garden. Let's dive in and discover which perennials are the best for a lively, year-round garden. Perennials are a gardener's best friend. Unlike annuals, which need to be replanted each year, perennials come back season after season, making them a cost-effective and sustainable choice for your garden. The best part, some perennials bloom for months, providing lasting color and beauty throughout the year. Whether you're looking to create a vibrant flower bed or fill in empty spots, these hardy plants ensure your garden stays gorgeous with minimal effort. Let's take a closer look at why perennials are the ultimate addition to any garden. Coneflower Echinacea is a true garden favorite. These vibrant, daisy-like flowers bloom from early summer all the way through to fall, bringing a splash of color to your garden for months. Not only are they beautiful, but they're also drought-resistant, making them perfect for low-maintenance landscapes. Plus, they attract pollinators like bees and butterflies, creating a lively, buzzing garden full of life. Whether you're planting them in a sunny spot or using them as part of a pollinator-friendly garden, coneflowers are sure to shine season after season. Black-eyed Susan Rebeckia is the perfect pop of color for your garden. With its cheerful yellow petals and striking dark center, this flower blooms from midsummer to early fall, adding a warm, golden touch that brightens up any space. Not only does it offer vibrant beauty, but it's also incredibly resilient, thriving in full sun and attracting pollinators like bees and butterflies. Whether you plant it in groups for a bold display or mix it with other flowers, Black-eyed Susans will keep your garden glowing all season long. Russian sage Perovskia atriplycifolia is the perfect choice for a drought-tolerant garden. With its airy lavender blue flowers, it blooms from summer to early autumn, creating a dreamy, wispy effect that brings a sense of tranquility to your space. This hardy perennial thrives in full sun and dry conditions, making it an ideal addition for low-maintenance landscapes. The soft, silvery foliage and stunning blooms also attract pollinators, adding to the charm of your garden. Whether used as a border or in mixed plantings, Russian sage will add a touch of elegance to your outdoor retreat. Catmint nepeta is a fragrant delight for any garden. This lavender blue flowering plant blooms for months, offering a long-lasting splash of color and a lovely scent. It's an excellent alternative to lavender, especially if you're looking for a plant that requires minimal care. Catmint thrives in full sun and is highly drought-tolerant, making it perfect for low-maintenance gardens. Plus, it attracts pollinators like bees and butterflies, making your garden even more lively. Coreopsis tixide is a true burst of sunshine for your garden. With its bright, cheerful yellow flowers, it blooms from late spring to early fall, adding vibrant color to your landscape for months. This hardy perennial thrives in a variety of soil conditions, making it an easy choice for almost any garden. Coreopsis is low maintenance, drought tolerant, and attracts pollinators like bees and butterflies, bringing even more life to your outdoor space. Salvia sage is a pollinator favorite and a must-have for any garden. With its tall spikes of blue, purple, or red flowers, salvia blooms from late spring all the way into fall, adding rich color and texture to your landscape. Not only does it attract bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds, but it also thrives in full sun and a well-drained soil, making it both beautiful and easy to care for. Geranium rosin is an award-winning perennial that will keep your garden blooming nonstop. From late spring all the way to frost, it produces beautiful violet-blue flowers that add a pop of color to any landscape. Known for its long blooming period and low-maintenance nature, rosin thrives in both sun and partial shade, making it a versatile choice for various garden styles. Whether used as ground cover or in mixed plantings, the stunning geranium will bring continuous beauty to your garden throughout the seasons. Daylily hemericalis is a garden favorite that delivers stunning beauty all season long. While each individual flower only lasts for a day, daylilies produce a continuous display of blooms from early summer to fall, creating a vibrant, ever-changing landscape. With their wide range of colors and forms, they bring endless variety to your garden. Low maintenance and adaptable to different soil types, daylilies are perfect for adding color to sunny spots or mixed beds. Yarrow Achillea is a colorful and resilient perennial with feathery foliage and vibrant flower clusters. Blooming from late spring to fall, it adds a pop of color to your garden while attracting beneficial insects like bees and butterflies. Perfect for low-maintenance gardens, yarrow thrives in full sun and a well-drained soil, making it a beautiful and practical choice for any landscape. Phlox Garden Phlox is known for its fragrant and showy blooms, making it a standout in any garden. Thriving from midsummer to early autumn, its vibrant colors and lovely scent bring beauty and charm to your outdoor space. A true must-have for any garden looking for long-lasting color and fragrance. Deadhead regularly to keep your garden looking fresh and vibrant. By removing faded flowers, you not only tidy up your garden, but also encourage your plants to produce more blooms, helping them stay healthy and colorful all season long. Provide proper sunlight to help your perennials thrive. Most perennials need at least 6 hours of sunlight each day to bloom beautifully and grow strong. Make sure to plant them in a sunny spot to ensure they get the light they need for a vibrant garden all season long. Mulch and fertilize to keep your plants healthy and thriving. Mulch helps retain moisture, while fertilizing provides essential nutrients, ensuring your garden stays vibrant and strong throughout the season. Divide plants when necessary to keep them healthy and encourage better growth. This simple step helps prevent overcrowding, allowing your plants to thrive and bloom even more beautifully. These 10 long-blooming perennials will keep your garden colorful and full of life all season long. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more gardening tips and inspiration. Happy gardening!
Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.